We got now fiery hot Cheetos fried pickles. You're not going to believe it. You're not going to believe it. We were so popular with the fried onion rings, with the fiery hot Cheetos. We got now fiery hot Cheetos fried pickles. Okay, you're going to love this. We're going to take the pickles. We've got them whole. We've got them in spears. We've got them in slices, and the way you like it. In the batter, which you can see at the description on the bottom, we put in mushed up Cheetos. Look at this. We crushed them up in a Ziploc bag. We put them into the batter. We're going to put the batter in the pickles, and then we're going to put more. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I'm Chef Don McMillan. You definitely want to stay around to the end of this because it is something that you can't believe. It's going to be wonderful. So let's go ahead and get started. Be sure that you like us. Also, we want you to tell us in the comments what you think about fiery hot Cheetos and deep frying vegetables of any kind. Love to share it with you. Like us, share with your friends. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to coat our pickles in the batter. We're going to place them in our chips. The Cheetos. Oh, yes. Hey. They are just hollering, "Olé!" Get me in there. All right, now move them around a little bit. Put them in the hot oil. Cook those babies up. Let's do this. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Hot, hot, hot. Pickle time. We're in a pickle today, folks. A hot one at that. Get in there. Yes, we got more pickles. Let's put the rest of them into the batter while those are getting happy in there. All right, here they are, my fried pickles with the fiery Cheetos chips. Of course, all of our dishes are simple, and you can bet they are fiery delicious. Yes, indeed.